passion. Attention. Attention.
Walk towards that goal in pursuit of excellence. Us are afraid to fight, for we don't know.
As I was saying, see, we have aired our issues. Now, actually,
that the Minister of Education is responsible enough
iko hivi sikieni. Wamesema hakuna mtu anawaforce kurudi darasa. Sawa. So what we do, just hang around here. Let's not go back pale. We do not want more attention to us. Sawa. Tungoje tea break, twende tea break, turudi hapa. Tungoje waende nani? Waende decision wa kutuambia sawa. Is that okay? Fiti. Ameti. Support staff. Walimu. Chakula. Kuna watu wanaosha choo. Poleni. Inaisha leo. What man?
all your points are valid. And I want to say something very important. Your concern about the environment is something that has touched me. And I think even after you've left school, we need to continue that spirit of making sure that we conserve the environment, isn't it? I have listened very carefully, and I think, in my opinion, you are a very, very disciplined community. You will continue with that discipline. You will not do anything that is undesirable, right? Yes. You will not damage anything. Yes. You will not hurt anybody. Yes. We are going to be conversing and talking and discussing and agreeing.
Taka jibu by leo, yani leo isiishe, sio?